Alright guys, this is what you call up on blocks. So I'm working on the world's most aggravating push mower. It seems like it's a Toro personal pace. I gotta put a self-propelled cable on, and this thing's about to drive me up the freaking wall because it's so aggravating. I went my nut. I need that. And that should just pop right out, or it should. Alright, I felt the end of it shift. Something fell. I don't know what it was. Oh, spacer. That bolt went in my parts bucket. Okay, I see where it is. Alright, so now I need to keep all my shit together so I don't lose anything. So now I'm going to take this thing off its blocks and tilt it back on its side. I need to paint this because this back end should be loose enough. Let's see here. Oh yeah, there's that stabilizer bar. Alright, let me get this thing leaned up against something. Okay, move this crap out the way. So now, theoretically speaking, alright, what else has got this held in? Something else has got this damn thing held in. I know what it is. Yep, one more 3/8 bolt up top. Oh, fuck, I'm going to have to get that with my hand. Alright. And now, this pops out. I remember that. Let me rip on this. Okay. So here's what I got so far. So I had to take out the second top bolt on the handle assembly, and I was able to bend this out of the way, and this cable's got two little tabs on it. Now I can pull the cable through, but I gotta go cut it loose from the handle real quick. Okay, so I got the new cable right here. It's an Oregon cable. It's a 60529. It's the Oregon number. Is this even the right? Oh yeah, it is the right cable. Okay. So I gotta get the old one out first, and the way you do that is you're not really gonna be able to see it because I don't have this thing off. But if you come around here, you can see me kind of unhook it. So we'll twist this here all the way down, and then you're gonna need pliers to do this. Twist it all the way down. And I have to get mean with it. Alright. There we go. Of course it's going to snag on everything known to man. So that one's out. So now we're going to snake the new one in through the top. Just like so. Like I said, y'all can't really see what I'm doing. I do apologize. We're going to bring it around, and this is where you got to twist the transmission down. So you got to get this dude right here, the drive cable, hooked in here, and that's the hardest part, is getting this damn spring in here. Alright, so now gently so you don't tear it up. Move that. Got it? Okay, so now what you have to do is clip the new cable in, but I'm going to make absolutely damn sure that that's not coming out. So just take this, and you're going to want to slide it through here. like so. Slide the cable through there, and that's in. Alright, so now let's reassemble the handle bolts, as I call them. I'm going to come over here and take our stabilizer bar and all the spacers. I got all my hardware. This bar is weird, okay? This whole mower is weird. But I'm going to reassemble this, but because I can't do this on camera, reassemble it on camera, it's too involved, but you get the idea on how to put this cable on. It's very hard, but I've done this 3 times on this mower. This is the 3rd cable I've put on here. I don't know why it keeps breaking them. I'm going to have to put a drive belt on here fairly soon. I'm going to dread that, but anyways, I'm going to cut the camera off, and when it's done, I'll start it up and we'll see if it moves. So I broke the cable tensioner, but don't worry, you got a new one for it. We're going to put it on. Yeah, we're going to put it on. Not going to tighten it all the way. A couple other things I got to tighten on the mower itself where I start it, but I don't even know if this thing will start. So that right there is how I rigged the old cable when it broke, is I just found a bolt that threaded through here. Never modify things. So I'll probably be replacing this dude soon as well. I'm going to take the cable, just pop it in here like so, and now we got to adjust the cable. So right now it ain't doing nothing. Someone put a lot of tension on it since the belt's kind of old. We'll pull back on this just a hair. Now I want to start tightening it. Alright, that should be tight enough. Oh yeah, that cable's working. I can feel it. It's a little too tight, but it'll be alright. So now I'm going to put in a couple bolts, put the mulching plug back in, then I'll see if this thing will start. Okay, we're going to see if this whole thing will start. The carburetor has been leaking profusely, but should still start. This thing's always given me trouble ever since I acquired it. Yeah, she ain't gonna start. I do notice that recoil's kind of slick though. Yep. Be the carburetor when it does that. Just pop back at me. Doesn't sound too good. It's got the wrong carburetor on it to begin with. It might be why it doesn't want to work worth a darn. Help. But it does pull. But I don't know about this motor. I don't like how it sounds. Could be a loose blade. And it's got water in the oil. That's never a good thing. No gas in the oil. That's never ever a good thing. Gas and water in the oil. Could be a loose blade. Why is it knocking? I could check that real quick, even though I didn't mess with the blade any. But it never hurts to check. It could very well be a loose blade, or the blade could be too heavy for it. I have no idea. That is a heavy blade, and it's not a loose blade. I don't like how all that smoke's coming out of the crankcase vent. See, whenever I turn the blade, it ain't gonna start to get the plug wire off, but usually when it's putting out like that, it's on its last leg. Well, This thing's ran a rough life. Alright, easy now, don't take out my camera. But take it all around back and I'll show you my plans for this little thing if it don't straighten up. So that little dude's been sitting back here for 2 years and has a broken front wheel, which is no big deal. And it's identical to Toro up front that I'm working on. So what's probably going to happen is that's a better frame, a better motor. It's actually electric start, but I'll rip all that off. So I'll probably take a motor off this frame because this frame's in pieces and I don't feel like piecing together a frame. So I'll probably rip a motor off that frame and put on the frame I know that works. But that's at a later date. That's not today because there's a bunch of junk in the way here that I'm not going to show. But anyways, that concludes this wonderful video. Questions, comments, let me know. See you in the next video.